Hey, yeah. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind. Him no make you happy.
Hey loves, it's your girl LAL. Welcome to my channel. Your girl has been a little bit under the weather, so it's about time we get cute and go somewhere. So I decided it's gonna be my second time applying a wig over my locks. I just want to do something different. I want something bold, big, and fabulous. I love my locks, y'all know that. But I'm applying it differently than on the previous video because we are putting on a big full curly wig, and so it doesn't need to be as flat. The goal is to make it as flat as possible on the top of my head. So we are just stuffing the locks underneath the wig cap, and I'm gonna press them down in the back, and it'll be fine, just like that. Yeah, it's like when I had a whole bunch of natural hair. But this is the box that the wig comes in. I got a wig from Amazon. She is synthetic. She cost me $26.99. She is 23 inches in length. And yeah, so we're gonna see what she look like and make it do what it do. But she come with a little comb. And what else they put up in here? A little ponytail holder and whatnot. Look like some bobby pins. And a little mesh cap, little net cap. And this is her. Meet her. This is that girl. So as y'all can see, since I've colored my locks black, I wanted to be bold and actually rock a black wig. I told y'all I seldomly used to rock black, but she has standard cap construction with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Of course, you heard me. Yeah, baby. So yeah, she's good and stretchy, so she should be pretty comfy. You want a nice size wig when applying a wig over your locks. Do your girl a favor and thumbs up this video. Follow your girl, share, and it's free to subscribe. Thanks in advance. It's time for us to go ahead and tame this hair. We're going to go in with this Bubbles Remy. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner, especially for my synthetic wiggies. As y'all can see, I'm not using a brush or anything, but we did get a little bit, just a teensy bit of shedding. So she's not shedding like crazy. She ain't shedding wild, you know. So I'm not feeling this old plasticky, skinny looking pencil part. So what you can do to fix that, really simple. Get a little index card, slip it underneath to make sure it don't bleed on your countertop or whatnot. Take a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, and just or a black liquid eyeliner or something. And just, fill it in if you don't want it to show. But I'm just hiding it for the time being. I think I'm going to be just fine. Okay, cutie, so here's her length. This is what I was talking about. her being 23 inches in length. If we stretch that down, you'll see she is pretty long. She's just super duper curly. So we just gonna cut sis down a little bit. That's all. We gonna cut her down, work it out, kind of frame her to this face. And y'all know my little chubby cheeks and my little chubby face. I just feel like she would flow better on me this way. You ain't got to do this if you don't want to cut yours. Or if you're taller, but your girl is a little shrimp. I'm just 4'11" here. We ain't working with no height. We ain't got no long neck, nothing like that. So just make it do what it do for you. All right, sugars? That's all you got to do. We customizing her to make her our own. Alright, so here's the back. This is what sis is looking like in the back. Alright, and yeah, this is what she is looking like. What y'all think? Would y'all rock this wig? Let your girl know down below in the comments. I would love to hear from y'all. But she is fabulous, and you know I can be bold. Listen, your girl loves you, and sit tight for the pic.
Hey, yeah. Uma vergonha, uma tratonha, him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way.